Hey there, fellow drone enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, Souguru. Today, I'm excited to share my top 3 drones for stunning photos and videos, all backed by verified buyers' experiences. Don't miss the product links in the description for prices and more details. Let's take flight. DJI Air 2S. Based on the reviews from verified buyers, the DJI Air 2S drone seems to have left a mixed impression. Some buyers found it to be a great value, especially when opting for the combo package, which offered impressive features at a reasonable price. The high-resolution 5.4K camera and 1-inch CMOS sensor were particularly appreciated by those using the drone for photogrammetry. However, there were some concerns about the lack of side obstacle sensors, which could be a drawback for some users. Several customers commended DJI for its product quality and customer service. They found the drone easy to operate, and it met or exceeded their expectations in terms of flight performance, picture quality, and video recording capabilities. The drone's speed and image clarity were mentioned positively. On the downside, there were complaints about receiving damaged or defective units. Some users reported overheating issues, connectivity problems, and unresponsive batteries, which affected their overall experience. In some instances, customers mentioned issues with DJI software, including difficulties with the app installation and compatibility with certain devices. Lastly, there were concerns raised about privacy and security related to the drone, with mention of the device potentially being bound to previous users' DJI accounts. Some buyers felt frustrated by the lack of support for certain smartphone models, which impacted their ability to use the drone effectively. In conclusion, the DJI Air 2S drone appears to offer impressive features and value for the price, but the overall experience can be marred by issues related to product quality, compatibility, and security. Buyers are encouraged to thoroughly inspect their purchases and consider the potential challenges related to device setup and support. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The product in question, a DJI drone, has garnered mixed reviews from verified buyers. While some users express their frustration with the product's connectivity issues and lack of support, others are captivated by its camera quality and performance. It seems that the experience with this drone varies significantly based on individual needs and expectations. Several buyers applaud the drone's impressive camera capabilities, particularly its ability to capture breathtaking photos and videos. They highlight the value it adds to photography and videography, with the 45-minute battery life being sufficient for many use cases. The drone's range and return-to-home feature also receive positive mentions, offering peace of mind during flights. On the downside, there are concerns about the product's lack of support and connectivity problems. Some buyers express frustration with the setup process, including the need to download an app, issues connecting via Bluetooth, and the absence of necessary connections, leading to additional accessory purchases. The automated support system is criticized for its ineffectiveness and the extensive data sharing required during setup. The drone's suitability for indoor use is debated, with one user warning against flying it indoors due to its size and potential for accidents. On a more positive note, the omnidirectional sensors are praised for enhancing flight safety, though it's emphasized that reckless handling can still lead to damage. Overall, the drone is perceived as a powerful tool for enthusiasts and professionals, offering top-notch image quality and an array of features. However, concerns about setup and support indicate room for improvement, and the product's suitability for specific use cases, like indoor real estate tours, may vary. DJI Mini3. Buyers have mixed opinions about the DJI Mini3 drone. Some reviewers are delighted with their purchase, emphasizing its lightweight design, ease of assembly and flight, and impressive camera quality. They appreciate the long battery life and are satisfied with its performance. However, there are complaints about government restrictions on where the drone can be flown, which some find frustrating. A recurring theme in the reviews is the importance of additional batteries and a large SD card for extended flying and video recording. Users also highlight the need to be cautious about crashes due to the drone's lightweight build. Some mention incidents where they had to replace propellers after crashes. One reviewer wished for an infrared camera on the drone. A few reviewers expressed dissatisfaction with their DJI Mini3. They encounter issues with the gimbal and drone pairing, and some received defective batteries or components. Others are disappointed by the absence of obstacle avoidance in the Mini3, thinking it had that feature. Despite various opinions, many users believe the DJI Mini3 is a great choice, offering a good balance between performance and affordability. They find the drone suitable for both beginners and experienced operators, praising its camera quality and battery life. In general, the DJI Mini 3 appears to have its strengths and weaknesses, with some users enjoying it as a valuable addition to their tech collection. I hope you found these verified buyer reviews helpful in choosing the perfect drone for your photography and videography needs. Don't forget to check out the product links in the video description below for more details and to make your purchase. Thanks for watching.